What if I told you your body switches into a completely different survival mode when you don't eat for 24 hours? And by hour 16, your body literally starts feeding on itself. Eating once a day, also called the OMAD diet, one meal a day, is a form of intermittent fasting that people use for weight loss, fat burning, mental clarity, and even longevity. But what actually happens inside your body during those 24 hours without food? Let's walk through it. Right after you eat, within the first 30 minutes, your body breaks your food down into glucose. Your blood sugar rises and insulin is released. Insulin is the hormone that tells your body, we have fuel, store energy. At this point, fat burning is completely turned off. Your body prefers to burn the food you just ate. Between 1 and 3 hours after eating, digestion is in full swing. Your body is still running on energy from that meal. Any extra calories are stored as glycogen in your liver and muscles. Once those stores are full, the excess gets stored as body fat. You might feel satisfied, relaxed, maybe even sleepy. By 4 to 6 hours, digestion is wrapping up. Your blood sugar starts to drop, insulin levels fall, and hunger hormones begin to rise. Your body is basically saying, food might be needed soon. This is the stage where most people snack, which stops the body from ever switching into fat-burning mode. Around 8 to 12 hours after your last meal, real fasting begins. Your body has used up the immediate energy from food and now turns to stored glycogen. Insulin is low, and fat burning slowly starts. You may feel light hunger, lower energy, or irritability, but inside your body, a major shift is happening. Your system is changing from feeding mode to fuel from storage mode. Between 12 and 16 hours, glycogen stores are nearly gone. Now your body has no choice but to use stored fat for energy. Fat is broken down into fatty acids, and your liver produces ketones, which are a clean fuel source for the brain. This is when many people notice improved mental clarity. Hunger often comes in waves, then fades. This is where real fat loss begins. At 16 to 20 hours, something powerful starts. Autophagy. This is your body's internal cleanup system. It begins removing damaged cells, recycling old proteins, and reducing inflammation. Think of it as cellular repair mode. Your body is not just burning fat, it's also doing maintenance that may support long-term health. By 20 to 24 hours, you are in a deep fasting state. Growth hormone levels rise to help protect your muscles. Insulin is very low, fat burning is high, and ketones are fueling your brain. Some people feel sharp and focused, others may feel tired. It depends on your body, your hydration, and your overall health. But metabolically, your body is now operating in survival optimization mode. Eating once a day can support weight loss, improve insulin control, increase fat burning, and may reduce inflammation. But it is not for everyone. It is not ideal for pregnant women, underweight individuals, people with a history of eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions without professional guidance. Your body needs nutrients, not just fewer meals. The human body was designed to survive periods without food. The modern problem is constant eating, constant snacking, and constantly high insulin. Maybe the real question is not, can I fast? Maybe it's, what could my body repair if I stopped eating all the time? That is the science of a 24-hour fast, intermittent fasting, and the one meal a day lifestyle.